In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Apple Pay Cash to PayPal. There isn't a direct way to move money from Apple Cash straight into PayPal. So the process works in two parts. First, you'll transfer your Apple Cash to a linked bank account or eligible debit card, and then you'll add that money to PayPal from the same bank. It's simple once you know where to tap, and I'll walk you through each screen so you feel confident the whole way. Start on your iPhone by opening the Wallet app and selecting your Apple Cash card. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu to open more options. Choose Transfer to Bank. Type in the exact amount you want to move. Now you'll see two speed options. Instant Transfer moves your money right away for a small fee and typically requires an eligible debit card. The 1-3 business days option is the standard transfer, which is free and goes to your linked bank account. Pick the option that fits your timing and budget. Next, select the bank account or debit card you've already linked. To finish, confirm the transfer with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Keep in mind that transfer times can vary based on your bank and the day of the week, and availability of instant transfer may depend on your card. If you don't see the money immediately, don't worry, standard transfers often show as pending before they settle. Once the funds land in your bank, open the PayPal app. Go to the wallet section, then tap Add Money or Transfer Money, depending on what you see in your version of the app. Choose your linked bank account, the same one you just used for the Apple Cash transfer. Enter the amount you'd like to move into PayPal and confirm the transfer. PayPal will initiate the pull from your bank. This can take 1 to 3 business days to complete, and timing may vary by bank and region. You can always check the status in your PayPal activity and confirm when the balance updates. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the name on your bank account matches your Apple Cash and PayPal profiles. Avoid weekends and holidays if you're in a rush, and double check your amounts before confirming. If you want to avoid fees, use the standard transfer option from Apple Cash and allow the extra time for processing. And that's it. Apple Cash to your bank, then your bank to PayPal. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.